Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
And
it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the... And today, we've got a box from...
Japan!
That's right, it's from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider, and get yourself a nice little discount. So, should we open it up?
Pick.
Okay. Oh my, what's inside?
Say no thank you.
Yeah, no thank you note this month. However, of course, we're always greeted with our informational sheet. This gives us information about all the different varieties, and as you'll see, this is the September pack, the spicy savory pack. You get 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
well, 4, 5, 6, 7 different varieties in this pack this month. And generally what I do is I just grab them randomly out of the box and read off the sheet about what each one is. So with that in mind, here we go. First one we have here is a Nissen Smoky and Spicy Shio Cup Noodle. This is a renewed product evolved from the ever-popular original Shio salt flavor released in 2003 that included Western-style basil and olive oil flavors. So what's so different about it now? The smokiness and spiciness. The original Shio was super yummy too, but this renewed one is even better with a hint of black pepper and a packet of smoked olive oil you can add. That sounds interesting. Next up, another one from Nissen. This is the Men Shokunin Tantan Men. Why not bring this ramen for your lunch at work? Whole wheat flour is added to the non-fried noodles, so it is a healthier but delicious choice. The authentic noodles and appetizing savory soup match very well. We really like the package of this cup too. It has Japanese, modern, and beautiful designs, so that's another reason for you to bring it to work. Alright, here's one from Myojo. This is their Akasaka Iron Sura Tanmen. Akasaka? We are delivering you this special noodle made under the supervision of a luxurious Chinese restaurant in Tokyo named Akasaka Iron. Said to be the origin of this type of hot and sour noodles, the dish was originally prepared as a staff meal for Akasaka Iron's employees. Interesting. Next up, we have a table mark variety. Don't see a lot of those. This one is their Negi Miso Ramen.
Miso ramen.
This satisfying dish has a thick miso-based soup with roasted negi root scallion oil flavor. No one can say no to this. Dubanjang spicy bean paste is added to give a touch of hotness to this ramen. You can have this when you are hungry in the middle of the night because the noodles are non-fried, so it's lighter to eat, and the loads of scallions on top is good for you too. I like hearing that scallions are good for you. Oh, and after all that, yep, there is a thank you. It was in the bottom, so I apologize. It was in there. Next up, we have Sapporo Ichiban with their double wasabi yakisoba. A new edition of popular Shio Karubi yakisoba. This one is made with two different kinds of wasabi. Hon wasabi, Japanese native wasabi, and horseradish. The combination of the two brings a perfect harmony of spiciness. We eat quite a bit of wasabi in our life here in Japan, but horseradish is still not so common. East meets west in your yakisoba. And next up, we've got a kitsune udon from Marushan. Kitsune means fox in Japanese, but kitsune udon is just a warming comfort food that does not contain any fox meat. It is simply a bowl of udon in a classic dashi stock topped with ogedofu, sweet fried tofu. The sweet tofu soaks up the broth as you eat, and combined with the hearty chewy udon noodle makes for one of our favorite Japanese dishes. I think it'd be interesting if they did make kitsune udon with fox in it, or perhaps in a bowl that was shaped like a fox. And finally, it looks like we touch on most of the major brands of Japan in this pack, which I like. This one is Acecook with their Sendai Spicy Miso Ramen. Sendai City in Miyagi Prefecture in the Tohoku area is known for their popular spicy miso ramen. This instant noodle uses Sendai miso, a spicy red miso made in Sendai City to add spiciness and flavor to the tasty pork-based soup. Alright, so in this, the September 2019 Zenpop box, you get spicy miso, kitsune udon, double wasabi hot yakisoba, akasaka tenmen, negi miso ramen, a little spicy smoked shio, Nissen tantanmen, a thank you note, and your valuable informational sheet. Alright, well cool. Thanks to the folks over at zenpop.jp for sending these over every month. And if you use the coupon code, you'll get a discount. Alright, this has been Hans and this has been
Mario.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.